Good morning, 7th class. From last 2 days, we are discussing about the personal letter. How to write a personal letter, what is the format of personal letter, and yesterday we discussed some languages also, how we can write the personal letter. So let us revise once again what is the format of personal letter. So on the top it is the address of the sender, means who is writing the letter. Then second it is salutation, means to whom he is writing the letter. Then body of the letter, then subscription and signature of the writer who is writing the letter. So it is the format of our personal letter. We have discussed some letters yesterday, how to write them. And today we are going to discuss some more that are in our exercise. So see what is the language written here. Muhammad is very good at all the subjects except mathematics. He is living in a hostel and wants to write to his father that he needs a tutor to make up his deficiency in this important subject. Write this letter. So the name of the writer is Muhammad and he is living in the hostel. So this thing is clear to us. Now why he is writing the letter to his father? Because he wanted that his father should arrange a tutor because he feels some problem in the subject mathematics. In all other subjects he is doing well. So he wants a tutor for the subject mathematics. So he requests his father that you please arrange a tutor for me. Only this thing we have to write, that we have to write the letter to father. We have to tell that I am doing well in all subjects, but I want some help in mathematics to make the concepts clear. So please arrange a tutor for me. So this thing we have to write, and downside the subscription and the name of the writer. So who is the writer? It is Muhammad. Muhammad is the writer. So see, I have written one. You can take the help from it. See here. So on the top I have written the address of the sender. So who is the writer? It is Muhammad. So because he is living in the hostel, so I have written the address of hostel. It may be any. 140 Patel Hostel, Model Public School, Delhi. The city may be any. The address may be any, but it should be the address of the hostel because the boy is living in the hostel. Then downside date any as per the requirement. Then the third one is salutation. The salutation will be dear Papa or dear Father because the letter is to be written to the father. So dear Papa, first line what we will write, I am well here and hope the same for you. My studies are going well. I am working hard for my first term exam. I am doing well in all subjects except mathematics. I need a tutor to make up my deficiency in this important subject because maths is a very important subject and the deficiency of maths must be improved because this subject is used in the competitions. So in the next lines we have written the same. Papa, mathematics is a very important subject as it covers all the competitions. So I don't want to lag behind. So please arrange a tutor for me. And downside, pay my regards to dear mom. Because the boy is living away from father and mother, so he has paid the regards for the parents. And downside what he can write? Yours lovingly, yours affectionately, your loving son. They all are correct. and the name of the boy is Muhammad. Okay. So it's a demo. You can write any language, whatever you feel that this language is correct for this letter, you can write the same language. Okay, it is not binding that you will write only these words. You can use your own thoughts, your own ideas. Now see the next. See second number, what is there? Pankaj lives at Morris uses every minute of his time mostly for studies or recreation. He wants to write a letter to his cousin Grace telling her about her daily routine. So write this letter. So Morris want to write letter to Grace. So see what I have written. I have written this also. So first of all, the address, any address you can write as I have written on the top, then date and then dear Grace. As usual, first line we will write, I am well here and hope the same for you. Today I want to share my daily routine with you. So daily routine is being shared here. As we do daily, we have written here. I get up at 5:30 a.m. After daily routine, I study up to 6:30 a.m. After that, I get ready for the school. I go to school at 8 a.m. I come back home at 3 p.m. Then I complete my homework. After completing my homework, I go to park to play with my friends. I feel really happy in their company and after playing with them. In the evening, I watch TV for half an hour because when we watch TV, we see many things that are happening around us. We see news, very important news are there. So after dinner, I study again for 1 hour and then finally I go to bed at 9 p.m. So it is all about my daily routine, and in the next letter, I want to know about your routine. And then down it's yours lovingly, your loving friend, or yours lovingly, your cousin. It may be any, we can write any. So here also we can explain in our own way, we can use our own thoughts, our own ideas. Okay, in this way we can write the letter. Now you see, what is the third one? Pankaj lives at 23 Model Town, Pune. His mother is seriously ill. His father has gone away to a distant part of the country. So he wants to write to his uncle about his mother's serious condition. Write this letter. Now Pankaj has to write the letter to his uncle. The address is given. See, 23 Model Town, Pune. So we have to write the same address. We cannot make any change. So the letter will start from the upside, 23 Model Town. Then next line Pune. The next line date, it may be any. Then the next line dear uncle. Then I want to inform about the serious condition of mother. She is not feeling well. She is suffering from high fever and there is nobody at home to take her to the hospital. Father has gone away for some important work. He is out of the country. So please help me and come as early as possible because I need your help for the cure of mother. So in this way we can write such language or any other language you want to share, and downside your loving nephew, yours lovingly you can write, and downside it's Pankaj. Okay. So I hope the personal letters are very much clear to you and you are able to write them, because many examples also we have done and exercise also we have done. So the format must be clear to us, then we are able to write all the things. The most important thing is the format, that we have to write in this way, the thing that should be clear to us. And I hope that this thing is clear to all the students and they can write any letter, whatever comes. Okay, so it's bye for today. Bye, students. And you will try to write letter number 3 and 4 in your homework, in your revision notebook, and letter 1 and 2 you can write in your fair notebook. Okay, it's bye for today.